Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Epic Games, then press on your profile icon here. Then you need to go to settings. Then you need to look for cloud saves and disable cloud saves. And then you need to go to documents. Then you need to look for Rocket League folder here. So for me it's my games, and here it should be Rocket League, and delete this folder. And after that you need to go back on Epic Games and enable cloud saves, and it should work. And if it's not working, then you need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to here manage settings. Then you need to go to exclusions, add remove exclusion, and here you need to add folder here. And after you do so, then you need to look for Rocket League. For me, I believe it's on program files, and here should be Epic Games, Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and you just need to add a folder, a whole Rocket League folder here. And if it's not working, then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and GPU drivers is fully updated. So you need to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is an update, you need to download and install it. Same thing with your GPU drivers, go to Device Manager, and on Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, and then update your GPU. And if it's not working, then another solution for you is you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, and then allow app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on one of the tasks here, and then look for Rocket League, right? And if you don't see Rocket League here, as you can see here, for me there is Rocket League. Make it on public and private here. And if you don't see Rocket League, you just need to press allow another app. Then you need to go to browse, and then you need to add it manually. So on disk C, program files, Epic Games for me, Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and add this to your list. As you can see here, I already added, so it did not show for me. And if this doesn't work, then another thing that you can do here is to simply go to your disk where you install the Rocket League, and then you need to go to program files, Epic Games, Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and look for Rocket League. Right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and select these two options, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Then press on change IDPI settings, select this option and select application, and press OK. And if this doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do here, probably the most simple one, you just need to go to Epic Games library. Then you need to just go to game, manage, and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. And after that, your problem should be solved and your game should launch. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.